Vendors continue to sell on the streets of Port Maria, St. Mary, despite space at the town's market. Mayor Fitzroy Wilson says the market is operating at less than half capacity. More in this report. Navigating Port Maria can be tough on some days as traffic crawls through the rural town. The situation is partly due to street vending. Mayor Fitzroy Wilson says efforts are underway to fix the traffic issue, but says the process is being frustrated as some vendors refuse to use the market.
I know that when I came to the town, the traffic congestion in the town would have been one of the main things that the business people in the town would have complained about. They would have complained about the vending on the street, the illegal vending, and how difficult it is to do business in the town, and also for the vehicular traffic to traverse the town.
The mayor says things have improved with less vending on the sidewalks, but some vendors are still selling goods on the streets.
We came to the town, the market vending on the sidewalk, you could not have walked on the sidewalks. It is way better now. Not where we wanted to go, because most of the vendors are still not in the market. It is a beautiful market that is there, and it is less than 50% occupancy. So it is difficult to have a market like that, and we still have persons selling grown provisions on the street, blocking the sidewalk.
The mayor says the low market use is a concern.
Having to be cleaning the drains in the town because we would have seen the flooding over the years. And when I came, we assessed the town and we said, if the drainage system works, we will have less issue with flooding. So we've embarked on the 2 years, we have cleaned all the major drains in the town. We would have had maybe more rainfall last year and the year before, more than maybe 20 years the amount of rainfall over that period of time.
Stay with us. International news is after the break.